Welcome back. I'm here with my mom, Kathy.
Hello.
In her new house. And if you're new, my name is Shannon. Today, you called me and said, please come over and let's declutter and organize this hall closet.
Yes, because as we've been moving in, I've been sticking things in here and I need some organization. I need some room for towels and bedding and get organized. So now's the time. I can't take it any longer.
And tell us about this closet. This is your only storage space?
Yes, this is the only linen closet, miscellaneous closet, like light bulbs and things like that, other than the garage. Everything has to go in here and back up bathroom stuff and all that. So we have to take it all out because it's just been thrown in, and then we'll slowly have a plan and put it back in. So I think we should just first remove everything.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're going to start by putting a blanket of some sort onto a bed. And then you said we're just going to
just take it out.
Everything.
No plan, just empty it out.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do that.
This is a really tight hall. And so
these doors are giant.
These doors open and they block the whole entire walkway.
Yeah.
I do feel a lot of this stuff might be able to go into the garage eventually once they have that sorted.
The hits keep on coming. This is like a real pharmacy here.
Oh my gosh, we're already running out of room here.
This is so insane. Oh God. Okay, I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to walk this in. Watch out. If you ever wonder who robbed CVS Pharmacy, it's right here.
This is what happens when there's maybe a little too much backup stuff.
Okay.
This is a case of we really did move in because I helped them move and we just threw everything into that hall closet because we didn't know where to put it and we needed it to be out of the way. So now we're focusing. This is your sewing kit. I'm wondering if this should go up above in your room.
If it fits up there.
Just to get it out of here because we know we don't want to store it in
Right. No, yeah.
Okay.
I will store it in there if I have nowhere else to put it. So in the meantime, I can go in my closet. Just going through everything, getting it organized. This one will stay in the drawer. This is the use ones, and then back up number 1, back up number 2, back up. You think it'll?
Where did all these come from? Holy moly! There must have been a special on that.
Yeah, let me show you. You know when you get things, you don't realize that you have so much stuff. One day you like them, then the next day you don't like them anymore. No. Anyways, I'm going to open the toothpaste store. Yep.
Wow.
These are going to go to the thrift store.
Most of these items were my dad's, so we brought it out here and my mom was holding things up and they were going through it together. He was saying whether it was trash or expired and whether he would use it. Some of these items are travel items for his fishing trips, so there are quite a few things, but it turned out there was a lot of backup stuff and quite a few expired things that needed to get thrown away. We organized everything really nice into this big bin. But the problem is then when we put this in, nothing fits behind it. So it's a bunch of wasted space back there. So what I tried is having this shorter bin so we could actually fit some other bins behind there so we're not just wasting all this space.
Oh.
Okay, so that's way better. Now this can fit at the front.
Okay.
And then if we can put all the tall stuff from the other bin into this one, then this one can fit here. We just went through all the medications and you and Dad were able to consolidate tons of it.
Yes.
Fit it into containers and fit it into his side of the bathroom drawers.
Oh, yes. Yeah, we just organized that.
We got a lot of stuff that came out of here into there.
Right.
Which is
now we have more room in here.
Amazing. This white, you said that's an extra?
This is like a towel thing. I'm not sure I want to keep it.
So
those are my beach. Those are the beach towels. Dad gets one. I get one. We each have one beach towel. Yep. And then our towels will go on top of that.
Okay. Okay. She was keeping this blanket so she could store it up here.
No, I'd like to bring it down. When I know how much room I am going to bring some of that down. And then this is my summer blanket, but I'll put it up for now because I've got that big giant one on there. Yeah, put these on top of that.
Should we just put this at the back with the beach towel? So, because you're not using this very often?
Yeah, as long as I know. I mean, it doesn't take up much room.
I know, it's just, it's more about like organizing it.
Well, if you
this at the back.
Yeah, that can go in the back. That's for when someone comes over and wets the bed. Whoever it is.
It's probably one of my kids. No. No one wets the bed that I know of.
No, I know, but not me. But I have it over. You know, you got that one person visiting, you don't trust him. You run in there and you put it under their sheet before they arrive, and they don't even know.
Maybe the 4-year-old.
You're having some friends coming over, going to do a lot of drinking. You put that sheet underneath to protect your mattress.
What's this?
Or if it's not your friends, but maybe someone else's friends.
Junk, or these are all your face
These
towels?
are my face towels. My junky face towel.
I'm only asking that because it just looked like such a random pile.
Well, the white ones are kind of cleaning towels.
While I've been busy helping my mom with all kinds of updates at her new home, we have also been making some updates here. And one of our newest updates is getting a new mattress from Brooklyn Bedding, today's sponsor. It says, unbox, unroll, expand. We're doing it. Brooklyn Bedding has been making top-tier mattresses since 1995, and they design and assemble these mattresses in their Arizona factory. After getting it in here, for sure, we're gonna need a nap.
No, we got...
We chose the Aurora Luxe cooling mattress with the pillow top in firm, and we are both absolutely loving it. It's designed for better, more restorative sleep. The contouring foam provides exceptional pressure relief and spinal alignment. It's the perfect mix of affordable and luxury, made with the same materials as top brands, but at a fraction of the price. They also have free shipping in the US, plus 120-night sleep trial, so you can rest easy. One of the first things we said after we opened this mattress was, wow, look at how pretty it is, how soft it is, and how cushiony and supportive this mattress is. Grant and I, we were amazed right away at the quality. Visit brooklynbedding.com/Shannon Torrens to get 30% off your order with code Shannon Torrens. And you can support my channel by telling them I sent you in the post-purchase survey. We truly love how comfortable this mattress is, and I think you will too. Thank you to Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring this video. Now it's time for a nap. I suggested that at some point, if you can hear her slamming that cabinet into the wall, so at some point I said, why don't we have Grant come in here and totally redo this whole entire cupboard thing.
That would be great.
Maybe do a tall stand-up area where she could put the vacuum.
Yes.
And some shelving, and then on this side and have 2 doors instead of just the big giant one.
That one just knocks the the light off the ceiling.
Hits the ceiling. That one hits the wall. Okay, so how we're splitting it is, this is my dad's side and that is going to be my mom's side for these 2 shelves. And then the top is all backup linen, blankets for guests, and towels for the guests and that kind of thing.
Yes. Okay, great.
So this side is shutting now. Do you have your stuff to put here?
I have it. It's all over the place. So I haven't even dug it out of the boxes yet because I had nowhere to put it. So I will be finding things.
Where? Oh, so like backup stuff?
Yeah. I have stuff. I don't have a lot of stuff.
That's what I was saying. I thought you mostly were.
These are all cleaning rags. So I'm going to throw these in my cleaning rag bin. Okay, here's my little bin. My one little bin of stuff. There we go. And here's some toilet paper in the middle.
She's cramming it to his side.
Here.
So let's look really quick. So we had all this room up here. Well, we're finding more of his stuff. So
here's some masks. We always put them in here just so we know where they are. So the one dilemma I have is that when the kids come over and watch TV, they always want a blanket. So we have to have a blanket.
We were having that blanket area. Let's use the bottom for that.
So down here.
Or we get a cute bin.
Oh yeah, we can put it.
Hear me out on this. We get some kind of baskety cute thing, and we roll the blankets and put them in there.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, that thing poked me right in the back. It's just like, I'm okay. Don't worry about me.
That cute basket situation for the throw blankets.
Yes, because the boys come over. They love throw blankets. I was going to go buy some of this green tape for my garden because the blueberries are getting so big they're falling off the center stick. So I had it all the time. I didn't even know I had it. I was going to go to Home Depot. Now I don't have to. Hey, look.
All of this.
I'm a plant.
Okay, all of this is ant baits, command hooks. This I don't feel belongs in here unless you want to make a special bin of housing stuff and put it at the bottom. You do?
I do.
Okay, so let's do that.
One housing bin. Here, I'll get it with a lid.
I know this was down
I
here.
know.
Oh my
Look at
God.
that.
Where's this going?
That's my backup one that I'll be using.
We have a whole bunch of random containers. I think let's take all of these house containers that we were talking about combining
On the table?
on the table and out of here.
Okay. Oh, God. Careful.
So just remember what's in here. You got these things. Sliders. You have bulbs. You have...
These are all the sliders.
Mostly all bulbs. It's all bulbs. There's a radio in here.
Okay, I'll go take those out to the garage.
I put all the batteries into one box. It's pretty heavy, but I think if this is on the bottom, and then at least it's all together. Okay, you can open them now. Look what I found that we could start with the blankets.
Yes, and I have another one somewhere.
It's the shoe bin, y'all.
Yeah, let's roll those blankets.
It's the shoe bin that she said she had to store her shoes in.
Who's going to be vacuuming that floor now that you dumped all that?
I don't know what was in there.
Dirt? Shoe dirt? No, that's okay. I'll vacuum.
You guys love vacuuming.
I love, you know, I saw more blankets. They're on the bed where we were doing that.
I don't know. We should get the vacuum out then and vacuum the bin. Watch this. It's going to look like a hotel. Oh yeah. See, look, I said,
I found another,
it's about to look like a hotel in here.
favorite blanket.
But you got to get a different bin. But
I know, that's kind
I
of.
think bigger, and I have a round one. But yeah, let's get the vacuum. Where is the vacuum?
I'll get it.
They vacuumed every day for their open home, but then now they can't even find it. There we go. This is way overstuffed, and of course I would not recommend this, but I think if they can find a bigger round bin, that'll be perfect.
Yeah.
This will be the bin for your house stuff that you want to be able to get to quickly, the indoor house stuff.
These things?
Well, whatever you want out of there, but I would say...
Yeah, we'll put 2 bins in.
These won't fit standing up like that with the lid on it.
Perfect. Yay! They're all
Really,
together.
you don't want to go through and
No,
see?
because, no, that's okay.
House wax? What's that for?
It's for, I don't need it. It was what I used to use to put in my windowsills when they wouldn't slide. I don't need that anymore.
These can also go into your
I don't have my tool bin.
You have tool bin.
I'd rather keep it here till we get settled, because then I have another one here somewhere. This is string and string.
Museum wax?
Yeah, that's to hold things down in my museum.
Here's all your...
Yeah.
As long as you know what's in there.
Oh, I do. I know where to go. Right here.
But I want to put this in there first.
Okay. What's this? Packaging tape. Do you want that? Do you need some? 3M packaging tape? Okay, now I know where that is. Oh, it's the thing. But I have...
Throw it out.
I have tape.
You don't need that. You have a whole big giant one.
Okay, I'm going to put it to the thrift store. It's just the holder.
It's going. Okay.
Going to the thrift
So these, I think, should go in the garage, these liquid baits, unless you think they belong in here. You think these belong in here?
Yes, that's where I would look for them. When I go in the garage, I have no idea where anything is. Put this on the higher shelf so I can get at it.
Well, I was going to put them together. That way you're not wasting
Oh,
space.
okay. All right.
You had said
This is Dad's workout
to me
towel.
earlier that you wanted to put all the cleaning stuff here. You said.
Yes.
So let's find that.
I have just been putting things randomly underneath the bathroom sink, so we can do one like a bin for each bathroom. So,
But you're going to store it all in there?
well, I could store it in there. I haven't decided yet, but if
That
I
might
could
make more sense because
just go there and grab it.
you're not that far from the bathroom.
Right.
And then that way
I don't get doubles.
you're not getting doubles.
Yeah.
Also, good thing is you're freeing up space in your bathroom for bathroom stuff.
Good idea.
Just an idea. I do store my cleaning supplies in each bathroom, but my bathrooms are further away from each other.
Well, one thing I know for sure, I'm not going to go running around to the bathrooms to try to find a way to clean the house. So I'd rather have it in one spot. That's a good idea. Okay.
This could probably go, right? That
Yes.
sponge, that looks nasty. What about this?
Those can go. I
Okay.
bought those from IKEA and I
This-
don't like them.
Do we need this box? Oh my gosh.
One Swiffer.
Schweffer. Oh my golly.
Here's
Okay, well we have
here's
these
the kitchen sleep cleaning supply bin. So
Well, the kitchen, maybe you should keep in the kitchen.
I know, but I'm thinking maybe does anything else go in here besides?
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm not going to use Comet on anything in the kitchen because that's that aluminum stuff.
So kitchen, we're going to keep in the kitchen. All that stuff.
Okay, now we got
Here's
down
some
to
just
2.
random bags.
Okay, I'll put them with my random bag pile.
Okay, so these 2 can be used for something else maybe.
Okay, these are going back into the kitchen.
I just went over there and found more cleaning stuff, but you said you've been using these and liking them.
Yes.
I think we'll just keep these separate because they're so different.
Yes.
And then that way you can use these, just grab the whole bucket. And
right, I like that. Yeah.
Through. I cannot believe how much better that looks.
God, I can finally use the closet. We've been throwing things in there. Oh, thank you so much. You always get it done.
You guys did the majority of the sorting, all Dad's stuff.
It took 3 of us, one being willing to deal with that, and that really helps a lot.
I think it was a case of when you first moved in here, we were just throwing stuff anywhere we could. And then you hadn't had the time to really sort through it all.
So I called her up this morning. I said, you have to come help me. I can't deal with it anymore. It's out of control. I have nowhere to put anything. So we did it. Yay, we got it done.
Good.
I know. Yay.
How are you feeling with everything so far?
Oh, great. Yes. Oh, I love it. Yeah, we've been chipping away at different things to get it organized. We still have a lot to go, but everything time we do one thing like a cabinet or a cupboard, it just really helps.
And it feels really good.
Way better. Yeah, I feel way better.
And I feel like, again, we're held up on a few things that you're spending your time to find the perfect, possible organizers. And if you want more storage, you're not sure yet. But then it might be a case of once you kind of unpack things more organized, you might not even need extra shelving.
Well, I have to say, except for I think 2 big bins, we used everything. We used all the stuff we bought at IKEA. Oh, no, I think we did.
I think we did.
We used everything.
We had 2 of the big rolling ones from Home Goods that you're going to return. Yay, you're making such progress.
I know. I love it. I love the house. I love being here every day, even though it's a challenge. It's a happy challenge. And
and you're getting settled. It's, once you're settled, it'll all be good.
I've been baking cookies. The kids love it.
They come by every day after school. Cookies. Stop by and get a cookie. Also, I want to mention that the bin that we used for the blankets, that's temporary until you are shopping and see something you really like.
I gotta go shopping.
I think something there until we can redo the cupboard and make it look nice. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. We are putting out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday at 6 a.m. and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.